Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars, the smart learning app. Are you bored of reading your textbooks and doing written practice? Well, you can get excited to do something new today. You can check how well you have revised just by a click. Let us first revise prepositions quickly and then move on to answering a few questions based on it. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They indicate location, direction, time, manner, or the relationship between objects. There are more than 100 prepositions in English language. Let's revise a few with examples. Note: there are more than one ways and uses in which a preposition is used, but we will look at the primary ones for revision. On, to indicate location. Example, she placed the book on the table. At, to indicate place. Example, we will meet at the park. In, to indicate location. Example, he is waiting in the car. To indicate direction. Example, she is traveling to France. Off, to indicate possession. The pages of the book are torn. For, to indicate reason. Example, I bought a gift for my friend's birthday. Now, get ready to check how well you have understood your prepositions. Attempt this quiz and test your mastery over the topic. Read the instructions carefully. Duration 10 minutes. Maximum marks 10. You have to finish the test in 10 minutes. Each correct answer gets you 1 mark. Each question has 4 options, of which only 1 is correct. Check solution after attempting each question with the explanation. You can view your score at the end of the test. So, let's start. The cat is sleeping dash the sofa. Under, after, without, before. Answer under. The correct preposition in this context is under because it indicates the location of the cat concerning the sofa. Second, she walked dash the bridge. Beside, between, behind, beyond. Answer, beside. The preposition beside is used to indicate a location or position next to something, in this case the bridge. Third, he jumped dash the puddle. Along, since, over, within. Answer, over. The preposition over indicates the action of jumping across or above something, in this case the puddle. Fourth, she is waiting dash the bus stop. During, against, towards, at. Answer, at. The preposition at is used to specify the location where she is waiting, which is the bus stop. Fifth, the squirrel ran dash the tree. Below, unlike, around, after. Answer, around. The preposition around indicates the movement of the squirrel in a circular path, encircling the tree. 6. The book is dash the shelf. Before, over, inside, among. Answer is inside. The preposition inside is used to describe the book's position in a shelf. 7. She swam dash the river. Above, across, below, during. Answer: across. The preposition across indicates swimming in a river from one side to the other. 8. They walk dash the forest. At, over, along, like. Answer: along. The preposition along indicates the movement through the forest from one side to another in a specific direction. 9. The butterfly flew and sat dash the flowers. On, like, beneath, since. Answer: on. The preposition on is used to describe the movement of the butterfly as it flies and sits on the flower. 10. He has a blanket dash himself. Over, during, beyond, within. Answer: over. The preposition over indicates the position of someone in a higher location than another object or point of reference covering something below. In this case, it is the blanket. That's all for today. I hope you must have analyzed the depth of your understanding through this quiz. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.